Yo, what is up YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today we have another detailing video. Right now I'm going to show you guys my updated mobile detailing setup. So without further ado, let's get into it. So we're going to go ahead and start off in the back area here. Already something that's different is I decided to take these seats out. I think I talked about it in the last video, but it created so much more room so I could fit a bunch more stuff. So this section here, kind of the same as last time. This is where we just keep the extension cords, bunch of chemicals like foam cannon, interior cleaner, stuff like that, just right here. Some backups like wheel cleaner, carpet cleaner, stuff that runs out fast. And then down here is where I keep my weights for my canopy. And then I also picked up one of these, an A-frame. I actually got two of these. I only keep one in the truck, but these are perfect for like when I'm doing jobs on the side of the road where it's busy. A lot of people could see it. There's a little QR code they could scan, takes it to the website. And then I also set it up at like car shows so people can see it. Keep my hat right there, and then vacuum attachments, just put them down here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this side. It's just more of a chemical little storage area. We're gonna wait to get into the bed till the end, but let's hop over to this side. So on this side, you see the A-frame right here with the QR code to scan. And then right here, we got just hose. This is an extension for when we do RVs and big trucks. We do semi-trucks sometimes, so we need that. Little pack out. I recommend highly to get a pack out if you're a detailer. This thing is absolutely amazing, perfect for storage. Down here we just got some like air fresheners, custom made from Alibaba, and then some brushes, applicators, more applicators, some extra microfibers for cleaning the glass. And then up here, it's our microfiber section. Just got done with a detail, so I do need to fill it back up, but these are one-time use microfibers that we do. We throw them out after every use because we like to keep them fresh. Some Scrub Ninjas down here. Absolutely recommend these. These things make interior cleaning so much easier. And then just our gloves. I recommend getting high-quality gloves too. Don't cheap out because, I mean, the high quality, they don't rip as easily and you don't go through as many. And then moving on to up here, the top of the pack out. This is where we keep like wash mitts and drying towels. So we got our wash mitts up here, different types of wash mitts, our drying towels, and then under there we have our glass towels, I think. Oh, it's actually not under there. Oh, there it is. But yeah, so our glass towel is under there too. Super easy, just lock that up. Down here, it's kind of miscellaneous storage. Be up here, so random stuff. We have our plate cover that we throw on top of the cars, extra headlight restoration kit, some masks in here for when we do like really bad jobs, like mold jobs, and then our Tornador attachment. This is one of the recent pickups that I wanted to talk about. Is we got an air compressor. So this Tornador, it speeds up the detailing process so much, especially for vacuuming. And then nothing crazy, we just keep business cards and stuff in there, and then, you know, driver's front end, random stuff, a little bit in there, a couple headlamps we keep up in here, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so time for the main setup. So right here we have our all new, didn't have last time, air compressor. This is the 4.5 gallon air compressor from Rigid, I think it is. Yeah, Rigid. So this is their 4.5. It is super quiet. You can control the PSI. It has really nice, easy to read gauges right here. Control the PSI with this. 2 quick connects, so you can run 2 Tornadors if you have a helper. I just hired one recently, so this is perfect. And then you have your little drain right here. Keep these open so the tank doesn't rust. So yeah, that was one of the recent purchases that I got, and it is absolutely amazing. Not too loud compared to, you know, other air compressors out there, but this thing speeds up the process so much. And then going off of that, back here we have our 300 PSI air compressor hose. I think it's about 50 feet, which is all you really need. Husky anti-kink. Super good. Got the quick connects already set up on it. And then right here we have our wash buckets. So 2 bucket method. So we got the wash bucket here and then the rinse bucket. And then over here we have our hose, 100 foot. So it's pretty good for doing details when we're far away from the building. And then over here, pretty simple setup. We just have every single chemical that we keep outside of the truck, mostly like iron, because iron, it smells terrible, so the iron remover stays in the back of the truck. And then Got our wheel cleaner here and our IK foam sprayer. Love this thing. Got our tire shine that we use. I love the Adams tire shine, the graphene tire dressing. It's awesome. Just some water here. And then right here, carpet cleaner. So that's our Adams carpet cleaner that we use. And then Iron Decon, which is also new. So we just picked that up recently. And then can't stress enough getting knee pads if you're a detailer. So this is my pair. I've had them longer. I just hired my my helper, so these aren't as beat up, but I replace these probably about every 6 months because they do get worn down. And also something I picked up since last time. It's already pretty beat, but it's a Swivel Gun Pro by McKillen's. I went ahead and went with the Pro one. Highly recommend it. Super awesome, and it's really good to use. So also got the pressure washer hose in there. And then back there, you can see right behind it is where we keep all the tire cleaning stuff. So got the wheel brushes, the wheelbarrow brush, the detail brush. I don't know if you can see it back there. The exhaust brush, and then the tire shine applicator up there. Canopy, can't stress having one of these enough. These things are lifesavers, especially working in the heat, you know, on a black vehicle. You don't want water spots. Got our rigid vacuum, wet/dry. Also kind of our extractor, works great. Our little Ryobi 1800 PSI pressure washer. It's all right. These pressure washers kind of suck. If you don't have the perfect pressure, they tend to act up and not work the best. But I mean, for $100, you can't really beat it. A couple traffic cones from when we're working in the street, you know, to make sure we don't get hit by cars. Just the basic necessities. And then back here, we got a little table. This saves our back so we don't have to work on the floor anymore. It's good for working on mats, stuff like that. Also can just put your stuff that you're using on the table. Don't have to put it on the floor. And then right here, we have our 3-step ladder that we use for, like, you know, trucks and stuff. But if we have like a semi truck or a van, we also have like a 18-foot ladder that we throw in here. Don't keep it in here because it's just too big, but on those days, we'll just throw it in there. And that is basically the whole setup. So yeah, that basically wraps up the setup. But you know, let me know what you guys think about it. If I need anything, what you guys recommend. I know I don't have a steamer. I mean, it would probably save time, but I really don't see a use for it. The next thing I kind of want to get into is paint correction. Paint correction is the next big step in detailing. So definitely something that I need to learn and need to teach my helper. But so far, that's it. I've been detailing for about 1.5 years now, a little over 1.5 years. And this is what I've got going so far. So let me know what you guys think of the setup and what you guys recommend getting. See you guys next time.